Electrify your oral health routine. Dr. Chris Strandburg, renowned dentist and former contestant on The Bachelorette, is going to help you keep your smile in check. Good morning, Doctor. How are you?
I'm doing great. It's great to be with you.
Great to have you on the show. What are your top tips to achieving a healthy smile at home?
Two really important tips that I'd like to offer. Number one, you want to minimize snacking on starchy and acidic foods and drinks because these can cause acid buildup on your teeth, which dissolves tooth surfaces. And the more frequently that you snack, especially on starchy foods, the more likely you are to get cavities. The second thing is we know the advice of brush twice a day, floss at least once a day. But I recommend using an electric toothbrush and adding in a water flosser because this will give you a more thorough whole mouth clean that will help you elevate your oral health.
Now, can you talk about the benefits of using an electric toothbrush over a manual one?
So an electric toothbrush is a fantastic device, but it is ultimately a personal decision. Some people do like to use a manual. But electric toothbrushes are great because they have been shown to be more effective at removing plaque bacteria, which is important for minimizing gingivitis, minimizing bad breath, and reducing the risk of cavities. And the great thing about an electric toothbrush is it basically does the brushing and cleaning motions for you. So all you have to do is gently guide the electric toothbrush across your tooth surfaces. And that will give you a consistently higher level of clean that honestly just takes less effort. And there are a lot of different toothbrush options out there. So if you're looking for an electric toothbrush, you can find one that you personally like.
Speaking of that, is there one electric toothbrush you would recommend over others and why?
Well, my new favorite electric toothbrush was just launched by Waterpik. It's called the Waterpik Sensonic electric toothbrush. And I like it because I can see and feel a deeper level of clean. Okay, I know it's getting cleaner in there. It has been accepted by the American Dental Association for safety and effectiveness. And part of the reason for that is because it uses sonic bristle technology. So we're talking about 32,000 brush strokes per minute to really remove all that plaque bacteria and debris. And it also has a special bristle pattern that hugs the natural tooth contours to get into those difficult to reach areas. And that serves to improve your gum health, reduce your risk of gingivitis, minimize bad breath, and reduce your risk of getting cavities. And you know, the great thing about the Sensonic is they did a study on it and they found that it removed up to 4 times more plaque bacteria from difficult to reach areas versus a manual toothbrush. So I think you have a huge advantage with it and you can really feel the difference.
Now, what about whiter teeth? How can I achieve a whiter, brighter smile?
A lot of my patients ask about this, and I like to first point them to prevention. Number one, you want to minimize stain-causing foods and drinks. So these are a lot of our favorite things like coffee, tea, red wine, and even berries. These stain-causing elements can soak into our teeth. But you don't need to eliminate them. You just want to minimize contact time with your teeth. Another thing to do is think about your oral care routine. Removing that stain on a daily basis effectively is absolutely essential. So in addition to using an electric toothbrush, adding in a water flosser helps to wash away those stain-causing elements. It washes away the yellow plaque, and that will give you a brighter, healthier smile as well.
Wow, it sounds like all the kids out there could use that so they can get their own Barbie, right?
Yes. Yes. If you want a Barbie bright smile, then electric toothbrush and a water flosser.
You got it. Now, where can our viewers go for more information?
The new Sensonic electric toothbrush is available on Amazon.com, or you can go to waterpik.com for more information.
I've been talking with Dr. Chris Strandburg. Thank you so much for joining us on Morning Blend.
Great to be with you today.